initially, when people hear of clinical trial, I had this discussion with somebody recently about feeling like being a guinea pig, and that is absolutely not the case at all. I probably would classify it as more being like a precious gemstone, in the sense that you go onto a trial, you get already the best level of care that you would get regardless. And I think that's really important for people to understand, that they're not going in putting themselves at risk very specifically. Maybe for early stage trials it might be a little bit different, but certainly from later stage trials you're going in getting the best standard of care. But not only are you getting the best standard of care, you're then potentially getting a drug that is going to significantly improve your quality of life, or significantly react to the type of cancer that you have, reduce tumours, get rid of tumours. I mean, effectively the tumours that were in my body disappeared. And I suppose initially when people hear of clinical trials, there is that fear, is that like, well, am I going to be taking a risk? Am I, maybe putting myself at risk, putting my, my family at risk? When in fact you're monitored so closely that nothing is missed. You're x-rayed and scanned and have tests done all of the time. So I think it would be fair to say that actually you're probably in a much better position if something does go wrong with your disease. Regardless, if you're in a clinical trial, it'll be picked up very, very quickly. But also then, if you're progressing, it's picked up exceptionally quickly. And for me, like, the proof was in the pudding. Within 3 months of going on the trial, they were able to tell me that the tumours that were in my body were reducing very significantly, and that was phenomenal. Yeah.